The market's in a free fall. Panic, run away, famine, pestilence, end of the world is coming. Really? I mean, really? Since 1900, there have been 35 declines of 10% or more in the S&P 500. Of those 35 corrections, the index fully recovered its value after an average of about 10 months. Sure, there's no guarantee that the length of future recoveries will happen in a similar time frame, or at all, but unless you have a need for the money in the short term, just be patient. Let me remind you, the S&P more than doubled in value from March of 2009 through 2013 with an annualized return of more than 20%. The S&P 500's average annual total return over the past 50 years is only 10%. Over the last few years, we've seen outstanding results, a 7-year bull market. With long-term historical returns of the S&P as a guide, results like that are unsustainable. Your expectations may be a little unrealistic. We're all in this temporary downturn together, so turn off CNBC, turn off CNN, all that investment pornography, and don't give in to the fear-mongering and doomsayers. We're all in the temporary downturn together. Look, markets react to news. News is unpredictable. Therefore, markets are unpredictable. News doesn't occur in a linear fashion, neither do markets. The idea is to buy when prices are low and sell when they're high. To a long-term investor, which everyone is unless you know the date of your death, drops in equities allows us to rebalance and buy more shares at a cheaper price. But if you want to accept the premise that the future is doomed and all is lost, then don't own stocks. But if you study history as much as I have, you can conclude that despite tons of bad news, world wars, communism, debt, plague, Jimmy Carter having cancer, good news via capitalism finds a way. Don't let your emotions get the better of you, panic and do something you'll regret. Frankly, I'm staying fully invested and you should too. Enjoy the volatility, revel in it. It's the price we pay for long-term success. If you have questions, concerns, or just need someone to talk you back in the window and off the ledge, call me at 817-444-8402. I'm here looking out for you, making sure your portfolio is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. So until the next time, go out and lead an abundant life. We'll talk again soon.